In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn some of your data in your spreadsheet into a table by using quick styles. So let's go over to our spreadsheet. The file I have open, the workbook I have open, is 09 Pet Pharma Sales. So if you're in my class, it's one you need to have open. If not, just follow along. You can do this to any of your own spreadsheets. But we're going to take and select cells A6 through K. I think it's 93. Yep, K93. So we have our selection of data. And all we have to do is go up to our Home tab. We want to go in the Styles group and hit Format as Table. And we have a gallery that pops up. And we want the one for our class, we're going to use Table Style Medium 2. So it's banded, it's blue in color. So we're going to click that. And there's going to be a little box that pops up. And what you want to do, you want to leave the data alone, because that, or your cell selection alone, your range, because that's what you've already selected. Make sure you tell it that your table has headers, because we selected the headers at the top of our data. So click OK. So now you have banded rows, so you have blue, white, blue, white. You have our sort and filter buttons at the top of each column. And so it's just formatted really nicely. The other thing we can do, we can make our last column, since we know it's the total sales column, we can make it bold. So this style has attributes for header row, total row, banded rows, first column, last column, banded columns, and filter button. So we want to turn on last column, and that will bold the last column, which is nice. And so that's all you got to do to turn it into a table.